of cloud drift across the sky. Migrating birds have lost their way. Our lives are just the same as theirs, wandering without a place to stay. Like birds that fly with no direction, searching for a distant shore. Tell me now where we are going. What are we still flying for? Timidly-hopeless bird, where will you go? Softly burning, holding joys from passing days. Life reveals its deeper flavor as the world in kindness stays.